Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification button. Thank you. Indeed, guys, love is a beautiful thing. So, guys, it has been said that man of God, Okayam Tota, has just got married to this beautiful girl. But social media, for being social media, but no. Angeke kwenzeke, because it has been said that in July, both Okaya Mthethwa and his ex, namely Ntando, tied the knot, and shortly after Sipho followed and also walked down the aisle. So guys, people are asking themselves, why is Sipho following Ntando? Like, why? Why lo mayeshada lo eshada? So guys, it has been said that many believe ukuthi Pastor rushed to get married to cover the score. Just imagine. Who does that? But anyway, guys, congratulations to Pastor Kayam Mthethwa for officially getting married for the second time, and he recently complained about attracting bad women, and also revealed that he lost so many great women, and now it's almost as if his time is up. So guys, vele, when we come to think about it, just imagine ushade nomuntu, you get divorced, and then omunye mayeshada just 2 months or 1 month down the line, now usushada. You might think ukuthi kune some sort of revenge thing happening, but at the same time, guys, love is love. People find love, people get married, people divorce. Some, when they divorce, guys, they divorce on good terms, like batshelana ukuthi no hard feelings, like move on with your life, and uyabona, and then they make peace with reality. But anyway, guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this. And please, guys, do subscribe if you haven't done so.